Hello and welcome to today's video where we will show you how you can save a lot of time with templating in Phonemos. With our templating feature, you can create for yourself a page structure and then reuse it whenever you need it. To start creating templates and to use them, we need to click here on the Create button and then click here on Create Template Folder. This works like this. You create a template folder and then you just create your template within this folder and then you can reuse it. You can also rename the folder, so let's call it template folder or whatever you wish. Save it, and now it's called template folder. And here on this option, you can, when you click it or when you tick it, then all the templates within this folder are available all over your Phonemos instance. If you just want to use it within your topic, so within Andreas Playground, you would leave it unticked. So let's see, here it's available for everyone. Here it's just within your playground. To create your first template, it's very straightforward. You just click here on Create Template, and then let's call this one template number 1. And then you just create the content that you want to reuse. I just copy and paste in the standard text for dummy text, lorem ipsum, and then you click Save. And now you've already created your first template. If you want to use this template now, you just click here on the Create button and then Create from Template. You search for the name of your template, as we call it template number 1. Here it is. And then you have the whole page as a template as you created it. If you click on Save, the page is created and you can use it as you would use any other Phonemos page. Let's create a second one. We just go here again and click on Create Template. Let's say template number 2. I paste in the lorem ipsum text and then let's just make this one here a headline so that you can see the difference that also headlines work. We just click on Save. And then if we click here on Create from Template and then choose template number 2, we have our second template with the headline lorem ipsum. So this was basically the templating feature. I hope this video was informative to you and hope to see you again soon in the future in the next Phonemos video.